no kaluna responsorio jega
rena responsorio jega na no hagire any name no hagire na rigire oh yes
waje hena muteti urenda kumura ri
nyeguo
ukaigirira ritwa riake no gacokera
but now the message might not be very progressive.
They want to do go hadi hede ya siasa.
That is it. Ina kulia utangolia wakuini mukaru.
Olodero wa Peter Kegia wa Esther.
And the original Chania River Boys Band.
Tago weda wa Kashi Mane.
Ni hatari na uti udosi ajetie kuma hede yo.
Nothing has changed.
The narrative remains.
Waja liwa kanele ya dhuki.
Ego kwa hile ni gema kiri. Yes.
Kabeme kayo kamo ige muthenya wa Thursday.
Oh, Skool Thursday JKA Messenger. Kama kawaida kama rawa JKA iko wima.
Kwigangara jetagwo board chair gathai Dennis.
Section goni watho ita good afternoon.
Thursday tariki 30 mweri wa November mwaka wa 2023.
Wega ta wega.
Is end month.
It is officially end month. Oh yes.
November ne twameina
wega turameina mia muthirita cia tuku.
Yeni. Lucio ne December, here we come.
Yes. December tunamuoka. Yes.
Inda.
Tugwe kwa Kublu.
Aya, karibu sana leo twigangare kuma thaa ici nginya cihande thinacara cia hwaini mathaa no maria mana ma Kwigangara na nituoka na mbeca
wega ta wega.
We have good money.
Good kiondo. Yes.
Mbeca tugukorwo tukinengereria hotani muthenya wa umuthi tukigangaraga hotani tukumanengereria mundu ciake 300,000. Good money.
300,000.
Ngiri magana matatu akiribia oreru
kiondo kiranyiteka. Yes.
No bagire andu akuthi guku no tigie bia.
Ngiri magana matatu na andu magithi kuraciari. Oko mabangite kuneana matatu ri. Cinanagirwo athuri acio.
Atandatu.
Yes. You diversify the risks.
Konyita ici bande itu. Bashaluthi. Lewa mwana ana cia murango. Atumia ni mama na indo ciao.
It's a lot of money.
Icio ni mbeca njega.
Oh yes.
Bona
uria ni muthoni.
Ni muthoni.
Masi.
Ni masi.
Wa wanja.
Ni be uyu.
Wa kuma kuria Kairo. Mundu watongoragia muno thukuru. Nake andiko gwa Kameme.
Mwana waiguanite na githomo.
Mwana nake mitugo yake mirungireru kuna. Wale kitongia tabarira yake goco guku.
Wihokeirwo.
Yes.
Kuhunia andu kiroho.
Wega. Ni akihulu ruhani. Since it's Thursday, Old School Thursday,
Nema.
Tugisoka na haria thutha. You see, heke ndugeta goriri. No, there are different levels of administration. Yes. Ni kuri administration ya thirikari. Yes. And of course there was the historical provision administration that was very powerful.
Nelio kuo nginya umuthi.
But then it was very powerful back then.
Nikuo nayo naguo wathani uria wakiri kuo hindi iyo.
Yes.
Wendaga guikare oguo.
He andu anana acio riu ni Siguro le wale watongoragia hindi iyo ri arahuka wira wake wa mbere wari kurira acia
acia nana
he sees
aheo uria gutarie matura
boy yes niwe kile ya thirikari yoke administration ya institution private companies na nigo kile administration ya etago riri formal basic administration muno ya thukuru na netwake mihuthagira na ithio tugithoma is still there na muno yagetago the prefect body. Yes. The prefect body was also very powerful tugithoma
iyo riu ni yari ta provincial administration ya shukuru
iyo niyo yari riu headmaster tondu ndio meto headmaster icio nicio ciari riu jaguti ciake cia ground niyo ma driver agenda and sometimes
na ko implement policies
and sometimes they would be given powers to enforce no gwe kindu githo ku legislate yes acio maheo powers yaku enforce yes
the prefects
prefects now mutiagethuragwo every Tom Dick and Harry yes
gwakiria guthurwo kura na tiko inge
tiko inge democracy ori erugongo muno ndiari kwa
aige mare akuorotwo
are hand picked na nikyo wakoraga especially riu ciana ciari muri citiaganagwo muno na tucuru otige tweka thoguo ni mwarimu kou nawe ituro iragayanwo
mwage gwitemera kindu
yes no mwage gwitemera a key department ndio wa kindu gitagwo the ego boost
indo itingiga no mwiroreire
bana
na wina handu you have a hand
you can hoodwink here and there ajo makiria kuoroto for elective na cia kina their fair share of corruption yes tona remo ni ogehirwo kura uige igotire ikarure leikara ni onene andu marakoludire gwikira mukora gituro-ini influence
kabal sikenyitana
no kabal ne cianyitanaga cikagwa no mwaka twikire umwe witu ha
ene to kuringana na institution na your level of discipline na exposure kabal ne cianyitanaga igatumira nginya beca bari they would solicit for funds kugura influence na kura
maige umwe wao mukora haria nigetha mirango yao yokora ndigakiatia
ndikahingo
administration ni araga guo uhoro ucio gatwaro kuria Supreme Court waikarirwo thi ukaovaruruo na nginya what do you call this chapter that talks about how corrupt you are
the integrity chapter
chapter 6 ugatwika na threshold yo ndokinyeire you will not run again
dokinya ni ikero cia chapter 6
yes
you are disqualified
ugekirirwo migiko toreru so nkumeheririo mena waitu I'm not saying they were cabals, but you see, when your integrity is in question, you can never run again.
Where muchuhore?
Where you know about where you
list they are eligible.
Yes. Work here do dura kulesia madura. No, the system cannot fathom. Yes.
We popular ground.
Yes.
No system.
Nigwa keriwa gina ometa goriri the shadows yes do na taru hede asiasa ri no igwa kindo gitawa shadow cabinet taria baba chuma wodia leko ata gathie na kiuga Elias Anjo CS Ministry of Lands mudava dia kio geturwa ku wakiona county promising
utihana kuonia
ai roke geturwa in absentia yes
na kiroga
joga mimi mwaka ujao nakuwa na masuti tu kivaa masuti mimi waziri wa mashamba no meta ko shadow shadow re ugiatokia ne kwa you know there are no power vacuums ugiatokia hiri ne kwa some issue with either the captain or the school the class prefect ne kwa rotagwo mundu in acting capacity prefect AG acio nao nio mari yoru gukira aria mekiritwo ni thuraku utongoria-ini
acio mari yoru tondu matiaktaga ihinda inene ri
yes
haha hanini onera mweke
they would turn everything upside down to prove a point ndirakura ni agia record ya noise maker nuru mahana oria eta atia moja sio wanairwo Nairobi
NMS
bandi yes chumia hicho igiri
Nikuhinyia
wega. And he would create, or she would create permanent enemies.
See, yes, you have to create enemies.
A heavy enemy. There's no rule of law. That is why it is enforced. Yes,
the outlaws will not love you.
Our prefects are not to be available.
He has gone home.
He has gone home due to school fees. Might be away for a while.
Administration near Higari, though. Arias, main authority.
Especially captains.
Yes. What is the captain near the Yaga? Okay, administration in the honor. He's abusing power. Not your dark and getting rocking and line. At a vision.
Now, you shall go home. Wambie msasi akuja tuongee. We know you're a very bright student and your leadership qualities are very up to date.
You are very instrumental around here.
We appreciate the effort that you make to put this school in the calendar and in the limelight of the zone. But again, you see, the institution has to run. Sometimes when we have no money, we are even unable to feed you.
Unasikia wanafunzi wanateta juu ya chakula.
And I also understand intelligence reports, and you are also aware the students are also marveling Captain Hafukusagui. So to take care of this marveling here, you can go maybe talk to your father. Tell them we can have a come and you have a work plan.
Asa amonde tu kule office nene.
Yes. I know my what really parade.
We want to announce that our captain Joyful Kadogo shall be away for a while. But because everything has to go on, the one who shall be in acting capacity shall be Wilson Masalia.
Very fast.
The AG captain.
Yes.
Akamanya roheru ne mwaba mwamuneana.
Yes.
Leo ne muoni ya system, he is your person.
Akabage to how better.
Maybe Wilson, you can come and say something.
Okay. Good morning, school. As you have heard, I am Wilson Masadia, and my policy has always been rule of order. I am expecting maximum cooperation from each and every one of you. I do not tolerate nonsense.
He's
already talking tough. Within the first 3 days, this school shall be as clean as a miller.
Shut up. Proceed, Wilson.
I am saying clearly here, and I am actually putting on notice the red camas. He's already talking. He thinks he owns the army. Those who knows me know that I go by the rule of law. And I am from the line of people who have administration experience. So what I'm saying, even if you marble and rough, I shall deal with you and I shall fill the shoes of the captain accordingly. Thanks you. The goon becomes a slave driver, an autocratic leader, a Marxist, a dictator. Kwigangara na administration yake na muno mundu hane theo.
Amenyaga moko igora ini.
Yes. Etagio list. Yano is make us hit the kete again. Akahana food scap winya.
Intelligence report is yakere.
Yes.
Dal tagona dot.
Adoginya magi of a home principal ko mahora. Nyole maigi hide.
Incorruptible.
Incorruptible. No, probably in form 3. Nani ara aiga through a cow. in Kabent. Yes. So he would be very thorough. Nani creator enemies.
Muno.
Actually, Captain Yashokari. Ashokia Matamu after the act has been invoked. Near
unadhania utaishi hapo milele.
Captain.
Unene.
Kama you sat up, I can still tell the principal.
Dio mwele kwa turaria mathata.
Dio mwele turaria Gikuyu. Na turekira nginya thimo. Na ndai ndathiu. And the ghouls sometimes would face violence Shukuru weke higo. I don't know mpaka those grudges. Emwana wakoraga Shukuru uri eka gambo. Yes. Makigwa heka ndai hoi. Nione ka ithomo isawa. Metukoti muno. But let us see cannot move buy in. You know, sometimes in politics you buy radicals. You buy radicals and some radicals are better on your side. Yes. Where you are the one who shall be sitting in for the captain is none other than Japhet Dorogo. Dorogo, I can't live up to the expectations of the administration. He goes to bed with the cabal. I can't leeway acrimony. Lawlessness, ruffianism, truancy.
Which you're not just you horago unceremonious.
Ali korago parade ire ale. Ya dha ikomi. Do you dare kona announcements in them?
We are saying due to unavoidable circumstances, the Logos will not be able to continue as the sitting in captain. We are going to give this role to Anilois Macharia.
Shut up!
Ore turakore twetia murigo kuma aja.
Wewe ya tuigirie kijamegate huko na maembe. Ore ndo tunea huko udigiteta.
Ozi akauga kinya haria tuingagiriria migate.
Haria kinya mwana wa mau ndakare kwa hihi.
Tha inyanya na 6.
Agora thiri. Otire mundu tago tigirwo. Onene. O chana.
Ya.
Uge haya. Ya.
Nini?
Yeke negeti.
Na regi ni atuiria nyota iri onene.
Those people would redefine colonialism. Wana make muhuraga amwe. Meshege ne maigerio thini wa the district education board. DB. Oh yes. Yara mwai ko baragu asiri. Otie kitu kia kiari kia utigirwo. Ta gutigirwo as the acting school bell ringer. Yes. Nui gutie kitu kia nagata wina what do you call this? O atogoria meka ondu uria marenda. Yes. Eta bell ringer. Ate nio kira mwalimu agefundithia akamuhituka
without asking for permission.
He has powers. Veto power
and immunity.
Wona ando ajemena impunity ya kiroke iguru muno.
Berolinga.
Wana mwalimu ni amuragia atiriri. Where are you going?
Ring the bell.
Ijafika. Imefika mwalimu. Na akauma. Uheo powers ta isio. Na nebe gegera wa bako meitaga kagathi.
Nega ukale kia wakinya aja.
O gaita ko no aigua tora. O control Shukuru ngima. Te wa me abia ngoro kona ko ihura ndoja.
Kana mauma aja makaigira thĩ.
You would feel powerful. Na utikale wera lemwe ni uraruria muno. Ni hura ona kaisio cio.
Ni mwamenyera rithimu ya muhuri.
Yes.
Ugu yahurwo ni mundu ungi ni mwamenya.
Ozio is excited.
Anaobadu.
Scarred away.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. There is even, I think, what do you call this guy that is always quoted by Motahi Ngonyi?
Aristotle.
I think they call you Machiavelli. You give a man power. Aristotle, they call you Machiavelli. If you want to know a man, give them power. Yes. What the new Padejito. I to act in Yakiras Diriaki, Horasian, Agni voting Kinarasian. Yes. Hem one or two, Rasianaco.
Manos, your eye, prefect.
Niarato Kunirasia.
Niarato, Iveriasia. Sammy Moraya.
This is Mama Kiwinya.
Party 2.
Yes.
Hey, Mama Kiwinya.
This is what the sugar mummies were called back then. Eto Mama Kiwinya. Yes. It's a gen goni watho ita.
Geno tuthikiriria haria hothe uri guku Kenya na kuraya na Kenya.
Oh yes.
Akenda ina ndagika 27 na nituramukira ndumiriri yako kuhitukira SMS ya 20014.
Kameme FM official in our Facebook. Oh yes.
Joseph Nyaga Donax Avekerugoya. Asante sana.
Oh yes.
Betty the silent listener.
How are you, Betty?
My favorite duo.
Oh, thank you very much. Our favorite person. Ronald Mwadhani yako hivi muno.
Ndageitheka muno.
The judiciary accredited mediator. Yes.
Nimesalimeka.
MC Vikings. It is event season, Baba.
Is that season of events?
We are quite busy right now and heavily in demand.
Events back to back.
Yes. We are heavily in demand and we thanks God. We are very happy.
We thanks.
Ateganye. Alekeka yule okorozi ine.
Ma yule mena gatonyo wambogwa roshi ine.
Alemo ni maure to bisha na gatonye. Ragorigezo kaideganya gura KICC. Gatonye is towering.
Gateganya na kowe nyihere.
Yes. Ruega gateganya na kori. Ne kara boost ego ya Stacy muno. Stacy ni ala igwe very much at home.
Bari oni ukorio ni andu amathira. No eri ni amathira.
Okay, dia no oroshi. Orori umere ya kwali geto makoririo. Ede amegutugirira beti. Angashi waliza Skool Naivasha. Mustafa wa Garari ga dukaine. Ako wima. Joe Blessings Mariah, Gary Wilson Airport. Thank you so much.
Masana. Waga hivyo kuma kule Amboseli National Park.
Nani mwenzetu yako kule kwenye mbuga la Amboseli?
Anaitwa Cowboy Koech Limo.
Nashukuru sana.
Amboseli ni Kajiado.
Yeah, Kajiado. It was actually given to the Kajiado County Council.
Nemeo kirogo taido kuduku.
Nema hiro autonomy ya kudiru nayo. Yes.
Masana.
Kentwood Cabins Naivasha. Na engineer Tashman na mudhuri tidungu wa Montana Resort Naivasha.
Wema sana.
Oh yes.
Naivasha. Just listening from Gede Kilifi.
Oh yes.
Gede.
Gede si hapa.
Gede ni kula ihu.
Eda.
Gede ithi haria uigagira utiga bara ya Malindi nigetha uigire Watamu.
Where are the Gede ruins?
Is that area?
That area. With a very rich heritage. Yes.
No bro ucio naguo ni uri miago na ni muthaka.
Naguo ciringi
ngiri ni thira narua
ni tengera ciringi. Ageitha ni haria Kilifi Lamada Kilifi Bay Beach Resort. Andu hege kana ongi horera kou.
Bururi ucio riu wembatiti ugu ni bururi muhoreru.
Yes.
naguo wenda ciringi
naguo ni wenda mundu ina migari rira akimondo tondu ungiuthi mataoni mao ni ukunoga ni ingirange yes
eva sana
Catherine wa City how are you mbeta kutana kwa Samido leo
wema sana
tuna kirugorio ya Samido Foundation
ni urajirete
it is today hiyo kijana ya kule Nyandarua jikakamua sana
wema zaidi
najua MC ni this
SSU
yes and Kanjim na mgeni wa mheshimiwa unajua ni nani leo
ni yupi
nani other than his excellency Liginji
the deputy president
of the Republic of Kenya
hapo ni wema
yes and sister kwa huko Masai ya dina
that's good
oh yes
ndona gura wathika ma PK wa mso huruma gwa shifo Alvan Kinyua
oh yes
mwalimu Mushori
mutugatire Timo N Kamau that polished mokorino yes
wema sana maina tu bros ya korea gashosho kegumo
Shiko Maina how are you
wema sana domari ne nyige no toguthi na mbere tugicingetagia ine
oh yes reure tiro on TBT you see teneri miumagarire ya tenetio ya reu
nema
yes actually teneri the fantasy gekirire you see there were regi expedition is ya regi ego thigwita ata wanyu kworo na hari ni kwari interregi yes ugathi regi ewegi niwe kwanyu mioro ugathi kairo yes
kana kia muturi kana ruru
yes and you know most of that was the commuter way was walking
hau kwa uniko gutha kuguru
yes ona handu wona woete ngari iyo na kuria gwaciri ukori uroya ngari iguthurukia gutware haria
handu ngiringa maguru
ndoringe
ni mwathaire
muno na wakorwo we kindu kina kio giathairi andu and this new world order ni nduthi
thiko ici nduthi ire
yes
piki is anywhere
people do not walk anymore thiko ici ni hinya muno wona mundu na karuthanju athiete ogu agifuraga ngiri
teigwe mundu athiete kilomita 7 maguru
no
unless ni mundu oriented ku exercise
unless it is exactly like that intended yes no under normal circumstances o mundu aina baya plug wake wa nduthi macharia
oi
kinyeta ko
ona de ha sedi
ukande na irigo ni ngwenda nguire tuthi nario
ndiroka
bas nduthi na jene cia thairi andu
na igikihuthio at the same time ikihuthia mithiire
yes ni gwakire mithiire ya extra county inter kuma ru county eno wengi iyo nayo ri ni ya taragirwo kindu gito kurarira yes
tona cio tene faraiti rakire ati je goguo cia kuganwo
and even the weather was not as lenient see you are walking ni wathi ya kundu gucera it used to happen ni mwathi ya gucera kundu muka gutha kwa ciumia ici
igiri
kiugo mbura kwaja muroko mu na rukenge yana mwakinya handu ru mukagayana mukaro aria mangihota gustahimiri hash
weather condition
magatu magu inokaga imuno ne mucio cio re bura yake netugo
ka bura yake
yes so people used to consider those kind of things gukio no uka kunuta gucerera andu anyu na irobiri hau nao ne hage ya riu mathafu mangi maritarito
ona logistically
ri ni hage ya kiundu na maita maria maingi ugekuria ni murathi gucera kwanyu na irobiri kwa andu anyu tira ithio ugekuria ti kurathio ni andu
gumu sana
temucio tigwo theri
usibo wandu Nairobi matuko macio manane na huga teneri
yes
ni hinya muno ngegiura ati especially ko riu andu akuria rugongo ati oka Nairobi athe o muthenya ucio inuke
that was rare
very rare
even logistically it was impossible kure hindi ona murango utari kuraihu utangionire ngari after 7 pm as early as that
yes
omothi ona tha ithano ni ukuona ngari
wega na uinuke
ugio ni akuringa na kuringa na tukiona kioneke nduthi
wona ndaigura mire
ngwito Paulo
no kurira Paulo wa nduthi anjoe
yes riu kugira ile the rare occasion at the moko umara ta Nairobi muri othe ndi mwaba ko make some logistical arrangements eto do mesi are very interrelated ni mwaba mukamenya kuria muko hithio hiyo you have to actually give your burdens to a caretaker.
Mwe ng'ombe, mwe mburi, mwe nguku.
Mukerwa atiriri na mukiririkane kwe nguku itu suiko ikagerio ke
ikagerio kengerea
heigire ikomeire neno ino ya manyaga ari iyo ni kuhiriirie yes
uhiuria onaga ruo ni nyau na ngui
nyau icio ciatigagirwo nature ona cio nĩ ciathimaga ikona atiriri andu aya matire mugunda na matire buroti ona ekehangia igathie muci ungi ekehoe ki
urarona gia kuria
kabetungana na mbara cia
Jaru ni ahogagia kamenya guku ri ungiona gutari ndogo gutire dalili ya kuomana na kindu ingeikia kanua
kwaga ndogo utuku rucini na ranji yonai ekarora kigwe kona gutire mundu wathi gukama gutire nginya ng'ombe ni arumagirira ng'ombe ciao kuria ciathi
by the ni afuataga uhiu ri ungi kauga ciathamira kuria
guku
kou nakuo niku egathie gutega
ine angeikarire kou kugia ondondo muno ri ona mwacoka ni arega ucoka
ikora kuria gutire rationing
ni aina akaraboka ni ndeire misiri na ndigacoka gatukubania the mutamuramba gwina nyaure ni ciaragagira kuru kwaja muthiete ciumia ta igiri ni ciaragagira kuu kwoni atritwo wega
ikora guku kwina muhuno
igakora nginya gutire mbara
na gutire
ni ngui yako mahingurite ritho rimwe tondu anytime andu anga mara frustrated itende
kwaruta mathata na nyamu
raguo kome ndokaga mundu ameura iteke for nothing nimwe tu akumagara ri nimwe ba mukona riu apparatus na assets iria muteithanagia nacio na neighbors mukameso mutigokoro mwekuo ri you have an emotional obligation to not inconvenience them
mugakimatwarira
nimwe mweta wa masaria ni tukumagara na undu ucio ningi tugathio kira na guitura
utikamenyeke guku gutire nyuri
riu ri tukumutigira rugio icembe ni mugia tune nginya kamata nigicagi kwahoyana gwo kindu na kindu kiu wahoya ri kihana system ya hasura fund oyo racokia noguo uragia kanya ga kuheo ki
makeria
na ringi riu mutrota gwitia kindu kina wikare nakio makimana ni mamwira atiriri enere mwina ageni okiumia tiako tucokete
no tuko tutahundukite kiumia
wa irurija na thufuria ina musirore wega akiro na ndu ni mahithagia indo imwe ni undu wa security reasons
especially valuables
yes rusi ndukuhundura radio gicagi utwe Nairobi ndukuhaura andu
ni muko hithia radio
yes
betiri
baro
Lori wa kiama ni muko hithia
yes ni muko hithia UDA Leki indo ici CKU yes macembe yes
na indo imwe ri iria mugakiona mutigo gwithamia indo ciothe
yes
imwe mugatonyia na thiini na ikahumbirwo na makuo
wega mugacika muflage wote na muici angiingira kundange cia ku anything valuable tare mai great woro and you know people were good and they would actually they were trustworthy ni mwatigagira andu great woro na betri yanyu na masumia icio igire matikumion
matige meakia
yes mati no giamiakire we mwana wako
utagongwo
that was almost a death sentence
Ndagũcina TV ende.
Ndagũcina TV twendie thoguo na nĩ ĩthondekagwo na 8,000. Gĩko gĩkĩ kĩa mwana ũtũharie. Nĩwe tũkwendie tũthondeke TV ĩno.
Nĩ manyoretie ũrĩa connectagwo.
Magĩkwĩra ũguo tondũ we wĩ baba wao. No ũyũ. Remwe nĩ mwageragia kũhundu wingi thoguo kana nyũkwa mũkamuonithia biũ, there would be no issue. Nginya nake agatuĩka excited akauga muone ta uci. Tagiore kana acera nĩ akomu metoro yakia nini nĩ TV na ũtheri wayo waumagĩra
mĩanya-inĩ
nginya mabati igũrũ. Let me tell you, the rural life back then was as basic can be. Mwagĩtigaga kũndũ ng'ombe mwene ũcio nginya rĩu agatũmana akĩgwa nĩ mũikarie mũno ng'ombe cianyu nĩ ikũmũgethera mũgũnda.
Nĩ ikũmũthĩnia
matuĩrĩire kwanyu magatambĩra tondũ matiehe ciao mahuti.
Nĩ thaa kenda na mote tu. Oronerwa John D. Show.
It's a song you want to sing along to. Holding your very nice chilled beer. Na nyama itarathira irathĩnjwo iria ingĩ ikĩhĩhagio. We are in the festive season now. Sitting with the people who you can talk and burn the midnight oil. Andũ mũraranĩirio, you have history. Yes.
Mwĩna story citarathira.
Animate. Oh yes.
John D. Show na Rwengo Brothers.
Magiuka.
Tukiendelia thaa 10. But you should see Joseph Wamũmbe akĩina rwĩmbo rũrũ.
He does a beautiful cover on this one as well.
Nĩ interview ndĩroragĩra Wamũmbe erega gwĩkwo nĩ Kamlesh.
Kamlesh is also doing a wonderful job with those TBT musicians.
Nĩho ndakĩiguire Wamũmbe agĩtarĩria Kamlesh ũrĩa makĩina the Rwengo Brothers.
Yes.
Ndico tio akĩrĩ mũnene wao. Rĩu nĩgetha maihũrie thani Ndico nĩ amagayagĩra wĩra.
Thani nĩ album. Wega uyo muthoni akinyite.
Waihũria album ya kĩndũ nyĩmbo 13 14.
Yes.
Ndico andĩke nyĩmbo 4. Wamũmbe andĩke 3.
Yes.
Kĩmani Thomas andĩke 3 kana 4.
Yes.
Makibi nake andĩke ciake.
Yes.
Rĩu macemanie maturanĩre. Marihasi nĩgetha mathiĩ studio.
Wow. Well, that was a lot of work. You see back then matuko maure. Oti andũ singo ĩngĩa gũtwarire.
Aca ndũĩ handũ ũngĩathire na rwĩmbo singo.
No mũgeihũririe thani.
Ni nĩgetha endie.
Oh yes. Wow, that is quite insightful. Yes.
Metagwo Kũhũrĩka Brothers.
The male wing of Kũhũrĩka. I understand there was a female wing.
Ona tũgũthakĩte rwĩmbo rwa the female wing.
Yes.
Part 1 ya Wayune nĩ wahenagia.
Yes.
Kana Wayune nĩ ũhenagia. Nĩyo ya part 1 nĩyo ya the female wing.
I tell you.
Na rĩu the male wing magĩcokia rũrũ. Wĩtagwo Wayune ndiakũhenagia. Kameme kayo kamũingĩ tũkĩgangara njĩtagwo board chair Gathai Dennis.
It's a good evening.
Thaa 10:27.
It is end month. Mwiso wa mwezi Nairobi kuna.
Rwĩmbo rwa Kĩgia.
It was Kĩgia. And he did the Kiswahili version nĩgetha makĩhũrĩrwo kũrĩa KBC Gĩthweri. Yes. Utawaona walebo wamelebeka. Kubeni silo kutoka
hapa udhilo.
Tuamwana hiyo vidoke vya nisiro udhilo. It's still the case Kĩgia.
Gwĩcira hĩndĩ ĩyo ũthĩro gwakĩrĩ gĩcagi.
Yeah. Ũthĩro ndũĩte gũtiũkĩte hive.
Rĩu mũthĩ ũthĩro ti ruro.
Ũthĩro is very urban. Ona tiperi nĩ very urban.
Kũu nĩ urban.
Yes. Aikona Gĩkũyũ kĩhana tene nĩguo Gĩkũyũ kwarĩ gĩcagi-inĩ. Gĩkũyũ waiguaga Gĩkũyũ kwa maitho.
Ono gikore is not ruro.
Ona kavete ni kware gisagi. Yes.
Ko is no ruro anymore.
Kavete uthiru, gacie, Mwemuto, Ruaka.
Ruaka is very urban.
Heavily urban. There's a time it was critically rural.
Na Titene.
Yes.
Tukuka olu tunathoma college.
Yes.
Ruaka was just there about.
Wakire ginya na kibao gya karibu Ruaka. They are outskirts of yes. Infrastructure ni hingura matura
muno na gugakura na njira nene.
Yes.
Ngende tuthikiriria no gatwandikira SMS kuhitukira namba ya 20014
meme FM official then on Facebook.
Mustafa wa garari ga dukaini asante. Jemo moraga listening or heading to Narok. Dieta Naroko. Asante sana. Niwagaidyo ni Prince Simon wa Makagari.
Nimesalimika sana.
Omothi araina Platinum Highlands haria Moi Avenue.
Aina Nairobi ya matukaini.
Aina Nairobi dukaini haria kurigania na Kenya Cinema.
Agwakire hahore.
Hwararigithia rwimbo omothi Nairobi gatagati.
Matukaini. Yes, na ni arugongu weo.
Yes. All the way from Dogino.
Yes, he's from Dogino.
Yes.
Dogino is still remarkably rural.
Kou nekera fiyo.
Kou nekera. Kou nekera proper.
Kou nekera. Ona house ya para. This road was rehabilitated by.
Yes, Kera.
And the patron is the area MP.
Yes. And this other, what is this wing of the power cord?
Which one?
Nerek. That's Joseph Jorogiatis.
The daga ide kabuno.
Alego na thogoto ni azu ikire urban.
Iyo na thogoto is very urban.
Yes.
Actually ru Kiambu kundu gutigareire kundu ruro ri.
Ndeia na kou theini
rugongo ru ugithi na kuri arari rugongo.
Yes. Ndio.
Kiambu ni wenge kuhiririe Nairobi ri. Kuna kutururo.
Those are the urban. Seriously, kundu kuna ginya malls na Quickmart. Kwa thaka.
No wega ni kurigania Nairobi.
Yes. Aithio muno ni waceke. Walimu waceke.
Ndageitheka muno teacher.
Alaga, you guys are always a vibe.
Asante sana.
Thank you very much.
Sana.
Yes.
Komie na ndagika 32.
Reuri. Tunaria muno horo wegi modern architecture and architecture back then. Actually teneri. Ona gutire mundu wekagira nyumba mathafu. Kwe mafundi maria mera gwatiriri. Mundu uri aruta nyumba thi guku. Nemuriithi. To nyumba tena cienjagirwo thi ndingi. Yes. Oicoka uyu kari andu maraigua maraka cia mahiga. Yes. Cia mahiga nacio ri. Ciarĩ maundu maingi. Acio na thutha thitima cioka ri. People had to redo their houses kwenja thingo tondu gutiekira provision.
You see, people had lost hope.
Yes.
Ya gukano na thitima icagi.
Absolutely. No na matiare vision ati ariri. Ati no fatale kioro kia nyumba. Nyumba ne akagwo biu na ndire kioro. Na ni a bedroom inya. Na ndire kioro thiini.
Wega.
Yes. Kioro ne hali ogu hakuhingana gacuka mucumari.
Ninja. Na
maita maingi no mauma nyumba ri. Wambate kidogo. Yes. Na ikarorio haha rugiri-ini. Yes.
Ya toro ki harai kidogo na nyumba.
Na nigathondekagirwo kamurango ka mugendi. Ni undu wa mundu rahituka ngiuga. Na ndeithĩke na kĩoro. No, people would welcome people to their homes back then.
Tito muthi.
Kena hau.
Thia uguo thiete.
Aguo thiete. Eno nĩ kũndĩa. Njĩrĩ ũru ene meho. Tana rĩu architecture yarĩ that simple. Fatana nyũmba ndekaure. Yes. Na nyũmba cia mabati kwanja cia mahiga iria ciakagwo na ikahũrwo kire. Yes, sagire ciendagia guoya.
Nyũmba ya mahiga mambuci icoke hũrwo ki.
Icoke gitwo na ibati rĩgũcoka rĩhakwo rangi. Rĩrĩa rĩatagĩrĩrwo rĩgace. Rĩagaca nĩguo rĩhũnaga rangi. Kaigua kũrĩa kwĩ mabati mambururu rĩ. Mũno ciakagwo rendi. Yes.
Na visio bodi.
Ukwanja fisha board. Wala kana fisha board.
Kwa miuda buru.
Yes. Na ndwe nyumba ya ihigari. Ni atabura muno tondu nao ni makaita ngi nene. Na mena surface area nene ya correct mai.
Then their roof is uniform.
They got a mai. Ndwe geta ni ciagaga slope yagiriire. Nyumba cia kaira tondu yagitirwo na maitho. Ne nyumba cia tereitio ya gwo kabiru.
Kitu gani?
Nero gari mundu arugama uguo na ndingi.
Arugama uguo karora.
Aya kindirai. Anyitete. Kindirai.
Wakabana wakindira muno.
Ta guthautha mwena uyu. Akabira na ritho. Iyo e kabiru. Uyu kare mafundi ma mahiga tene gicagire matiare wira monete wira kwari thukuru cibitari
institutions
kana kanitha na kanitha ndiakihea andu othe thukuru taguo no thukuru icio ciagire connection ndio otiari NGCDF ni mbeca cia PTA. Yes,
harambe
na mbeca cia PTA ciana rehe wari mwari muno tondu gutiri cukuru aciari mataguga mbeca icio ni iria
miako nayo nĩ ekururagia
wega
gwaka cukuru mũgĩ gaka atĩ kĩra buroko ĩna irathi ithatũ rĩ
nĩ ameragĩrĩrwo nginya nĩ mĩbariti na ĩkaruta kĩro
mwarĩkagia 80.
Yes,
mwaka ũtarĩ warĩka
mwaru wako ndirica-inĩ o mũigue mwĩkũndũ kwa kanitha nayo nĩ ekagĩrwo thoko proper. Kanitha ni ekagirwo thoko irorete cia miaka 5
ona makiria.
Yes, ingigakinyanira
kwanja riu yakinya rinto
yetia kindu gitagwo suma. Ona rimwe ni arikaga mabati ndirica no cia ikamba kwirorerwo miaka 4.
Ni tukwamba kuhumukia andu
cyane tutigiurĩrĩra rĩu nĩ tukwamba kũrũgamia thoko.
Sisi ni auga andu mambe mahumukio.
Yes,
tondu yeka ithabu ni rona there's a good number yorire kanitha ni mwako.
Oh, exactly. Makigoru andu mambe matwaro pole pole
mambe mahumuke
tona cio harambiri umenye wetagio thukuru no getio kanitha no riu ni gwokire NGCDF
at least CDF ndi ahumuririe aciari mathukuru
gituhumura na ma dispensary na ki. Yes, kwanja riu guku kwi harambia andu maimbagira mangeiguire kiuga ati ni gwatangathwo
ni muramenyithia niko komanda wa borithi kwina harambia ya gwakira thigari post
andu matiathia
elu ya fosaga sifo wa itura.
Yes,
arogote besha almost by force.
That is why they had a book.
Kwanza jasa kitabu ya harambia post
yone ibagirwo biu
ate ugete
ni ndarutira borithi 2,000 karuheni gutiari
ona kuri andu batari very progress.
Yes,
maugaga batirenda borithi te marenda kureherwo borithi hakuhi nigetha manyitagwo kaingĩ.
mauga atiriri ni ũru mũno twakĩre andu aya cero cia gũtũikia
no makire macoke matũnyitage.
Ni mamba kwanza makamena mundu ya andu ni timu.
Bothiti nĩ ciaibagĩrwo.
Bothiti
onacio cioka kũhonokio no CDF.
Cioka kũhonokio nĩ CDF tondu gũtirĩ mũndũ weruta tiga mũndũ wĩna kĩndũ gĩa kũrora. Itonga cia itura itonga nĩ ciagĩra borithi Nyakĩanga. Yes, akaria nginya na commission akaheo borithi aya akerwo ũngĩona handũ marĩrutagĩra wĩra rĩ. Yes, nake nĩ agagĩtio itura
na ageka uga ni akwenyura nuthu gwakwo buthiti
kanuthu eka kega
gwakwo police post
iwando mabwa iwona gicungi ni ararehire borithi
ni ararehire cia wangu itunyarirage
tunyarire anake guku ucie mwana koronu njatha emwe urareheirwo
iregira dio nginya gukabe aruta wira na mukoro ni agiko giko kiria gekirwo ni gukabe
oria gukabe rehia nyakeru guku maili gwashibo kaluri mena muthuri wete guhoro
thithire ciaibagirwo
etagwo uhoro njure atuire kuria Fort Hall.
Francis Hall.
Yes.
Uria wakire Fort Hall.
Yes. Gukabe ni wareire Francis Hall uku
murangeta furajethi wa Nyahoro
nuona mundu bari ni aturehera cia wangu tunyarirwe obio
tutule tuikagio theini
gutiere turona yokunywira njiri haria nduka-ini uramudia mokete gukunungira kana ni bangi yaraitiria muno kurehe andu maratwitithia kiraiku magithura ta ndengu
kariwa batoni ahagiraga muratinari ucio ndari humukaga thero
turona menyiranitie na ruĩ-ini
mucia mbere ciarĩ arugia mũratina
arugia meratina illegal loggers na andu a mbara
tene mbara citũ tũraciaragĩrĩria mũhĩrĩga
rĩu andũ maroyana na nĩ gũthima na ngima magatwarwo Kang'ũri
kindu kingi nakio gitendetwo kiahingagwo nĩ igoti
igoti ona rĩ andũ matiarĩende
murakirwo court of law matiendaga
barerwo icirĩro nja
urihuragio haha twarĩtwo igoti-inĩ
na ndĩraigua njanju ũrĩa ũratũmanwo gũkũ rĩ ainamagagia macicio ya gũikia Kang'ũri
riu atĩrĩ andũ mauga tũngĩonire njanji ainamia macicio
we ũrarũgamĩra kĩng'ong'o
we ũkuohwo mo wandu woka kĩatuirwo atia cira
ndunatua kũratwĩkire gũtuĩrwo nĩ mweri 14 Dithemba no ũrĩa njanji arainamirie macicio no twende mũhaĩrie ngoro cianyu kũhotha mwana ũcio
let me tell you
nĩ thaa 10:42
marega igoti
muno
ciĩra tũtikũrĩenda reke tũthiae Mũrang'a mũrĩhanana mũkaguo gatĩmĩra kũrũmande
no rĩo hagĩrwo haha happy bilia 91
count kameme
reke twambe tũthomere mohoro nĩ Njogu
wawashira ikirutana wazo
DJ 254
utukania muthaka muno wa DJJ wakameme kayo kamũingĩ jukebox tukigangara thaa 11 na ndagĩka 26 thengio nĩ gũcagũra kameme kayo kamũingĩ harĩa hothe ũrĩ getagwo board chair Gathaya Dennis
that was a Jenny Goni Watho ita good evening
yetio vega
tariki 30 nafurahia sana kwamba mwezi huu maanza kufikia tamati
umuthi nĩ mũico wa mweri
rũciũ nĩ tariki 1
1st of December
yes
wakati wa gĩthira
yani
cio turaingira December
inde turaingira kuo ringi
ngire tuthikiriria no gatwandiki ona tutikuongerera kiugo kingi iguru wa hau
na guconga riu
kahura ni akonu kurudi
ngo about tengera haria Parkland Sports Club and the track MC organizer Sabido Foundation Lounge. Yes,
mukinyerie our message of goodwill
ina ni ngwire turatanya mugeni wa gitio ni DP Rigiji. Yes,
wema sana ni thinacara na ndagika igiri tucamania rucio same time jetagwo board chair gatha ya Dennis
Jen goni watho ita
jogwe haha na mohoro
amuka
is loading.